Alright folks, here it's Mark Sugar with the brand new Jeep Gladiator. This is the Mojave edition, and I'm going to show you a Rubicon here right away, and the difference is, sorry about the wind here, so you'll see the orange recovery tow hooks on the Rubicon. It is red, and look at this center scoop there. Love that hydro blue paint. 33-inch Falcon tires, just like the Rubicon. So the Rubicon will be more for rock crawling. This one could be used more for Baja racing or in the sand. And look at this new badge here. 4x4 desert rated. So I know you're usually used to seeing the trail rated badge there. Mojave. So if you're a fan of hockey, this could be an Edmonton Oilers edition with that nice blue and that orange. And on the Rubicon you have the rock rails. So here you have the side steps there, and on the inside it is the orange stitching, versus the Rubicon is red with optional red dash and the hood, and a 5-inch bed with a payload capacity of 1,600 pounds. This can tow up to 7,650 pounds. There's a look at the back. We've got the hitch, and the backup camera is standard right under the Jeep sign right here, and it is excellent. On this one has an 8.4-inch screen. We put some mud flaps on there. And look at the fog shocks, a little different than on the Rubicon. So let's go have a look at that Rubicon. Alright, so it's right over here, black Rubicon, and right beside the Rubicon is an Overland. So here is the blacked out Rubicon, and so you can see the shocks here, see the red dash on the inside, 8.4-inch screen. So see that, and here's a different example of the Jeep mud flaps. So red on the back. This one has the box cover. See, this one has rock guards here, and you see the rock guards along there. They only come in 4 doors, and this one's hood is a little different as well. You could get a winch. Of course, with the Jeep you can get all the accessories you want. Same tires as the Mojave. And then over here, so this is well, you can get an Overland, but I think they call this high altitude because of the black rims, black logos. So Overland high altitude. There it is, and that's brand new for 2021. So there it is. Take a look at those rims. And actually take a look at this interior. So the stitching will be different as well on this one, right? Gladiator high altitude, so a little bit better than the Overland. Okay, and it gets, we're in Canada, so it gets 10 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway and 13 in the city, so that averages out to be 12. Once again, there is a look at the Jeep Gladiators. I do have one in the showroom, and it is a sport, but it has a retro package on it, so I want to show you that here real quick. Don't worry, it's right there. We'll take another look at this hydro blue Jeep Gladiator. Woo! Look at it. Alright, Jeep Cherokees, high altitude Jeep Cherokees, Jeep Compass, Dodge Durango. Of course, we got plenty of Ram Sports. And check out the new 10-inch screen on the Dodge Durangos now. Jeep Grand Cherokees. This is a Dodge Durango GT all-wheel drive. So here's the Jeep Gladiator in billet metallic silver. So this is a sport, but of course you can see we added some better tires and rims, and those rims can be color matched to whatever color paint you have. In this case, they didn't need to be matched because they were already silver. But look at that graphics package. So this one doesn't have the leather, so it's got the cloth seats. Still nice. This screen's a little smaller. That's the smallest screen you can get. You can get up to 8.4-inch. Take a look at the back. Take the tops off, take the doors off. There's a good look at the Jeep Gladiators.